Root software.
Welcome to this very small vlog. I'm not gonna show anything in Minecraft at the moment because I do not have the time for it. However, I wanna explain two things. One, I got a lot of questions why the updates are so slow. To be short, well, I cannot offer small updates. I really hate those tiny updates a lot of times in the week because I need to shut down my server, update it and start it again, even with players online, and I do not like the way that works. I collect some updates, put it in one bigger update, make sure it's 100% stable and without bugs, and then send it up. So please stop asking me that. Beside the fact I have released the first part of the space update for the suits. That update is available. It's not meant for production servers, so do not do that and do not use that. However, you can already take a look and craft things in the update except for the upgrade for the suits, and that also limits the worlds currently. So if you want to use it on a production server, use one version back. It used normal iron armor in that version, not the spacesuits, but at least it gives you some form of working. So that's the Minecraft part. I'm working on the upgrades and such. The suit maker, for example, is something that needs adjusting. So I'm working on that continuously. But I'm not lost. I'm still working on it. That's something for sure. Next to that one, I have a side project. I like to code, so I started working on Youstar, a software that I want to know what you guys think of. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like it, if you would pay for it or not, and how much you would pay for it or why you do not pay for it. So those things are there. The software includes many things. I'm gonna show you quickly through everything. It works on project base. So a project is one series, for example. In this case, you can create projects and it will add this to the list. And if there are episodes in it, it knows it and it adds it to the right column. So you can select different projects, clear them. So for example, remove all the episodes or delete the project as its whole. And then this screen is the main screen currently. You can create thumbnails with this one automatically. So you set a template and then it automatically can design for you with your own customization. Numbers, for example, with the episode number going up. And yeah, it creates those numbers for you, as well as possibly titles and such. You can always check it when it's if it's coming, then you can check it out. I will certainly make a video if it's worthwhile. That's why I ask people, let me know if you like this software, then I can think about releasing it to you guys. It works on the YouTube v3 API, so you will need a free key you can get with the YouTube API developer console. Instruction will be released when you have one. You can make a description generator, make a template and let it automatically fill the description that you have on this list, as well as the title can be adjusted automatically with a number. You can generate episodes with this one. So for example, you already released like 13 episodes, you can let it generate 13 episodes, mark it as already uploaded and leave it, but then you can add the rest manually. For example, add episode here. You can edit the episodes with a title description. You set the local video file, which is very important. The online link can be edited if needed. However, I shouldn't do that if you want to upload stuff. So it will automatically fill it once it's uploaded to YouTube. You can also have a status here if it's released or not. That's a thing that's basically the same as the marker that I've added later on. So it's possibly that this one is gonna be removed. Then you have the release date planning. So in this program, which is most of the time unique, you can set automatically generated times. For example, if you add like 10 videos, you can let it generate the time for every week where it needs to be released. And then when you upload it using the upload manager, it starts uploading them and already giving the data that YouTube knows when you want to release it. So it stays private until, basically the release date is there. And then it automatically activates it for the users. So once you upload it, the planned date will be added to it. So basically this is made for systematic YouTube management and not for single videos alone. So if you have, for example, a Minecraft series with multiple episodes, this is the program to use it. I used it before. I had an old program, but it was lost in a backup, so I restarted coding. And it takes a lot of time to get it all working. But once again, let me know if you like it, if you would... the main questions are, would you like it to be released? The second question would be, would you want to pay for it or would you want to get it free? So would you pay for it? Do you think it's worth something? Or do you think you will not want to pay for it at all? But just give a reason with it. Otherwise, everybody wants to say it needs to be free. But why do it need to be free? We as developers put a lot of time in. That's why I want to know why you want it to be free or why you want to pay and how much you think it's worth. Those things are examples of answers you can give. So comment down below with that information. If you have any more questions about MCG StarCraft, MCG Mindstar, or this MCG Youstar, let me know in the comments below or get me on Discord. The Discord link is in my channel, as well as you can find me in my support Discord for my plugins or in my gaming Discord. You can always find me and comment in one of those Discords if you need any help with it. The software part is always on the software Discord, so keep that Discord in mind. BC Gaming is my gaming community, so I game on there. But if you really need me, you can ask me there for the link to the other one if you need to. So I thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Good luck!